Alright. That brings up number 2 on that. Average never failed. Number 2, colorwave. Didn't score out any liquid. The lights are on the machine, are not working on the others. Alright, that's the Ryko SoftGloss Maxx 5 Revisit Parkway Services gas station here at Sawmill Boulevard. Sawmill Run Boulevard, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Now, here's the machine. Did a nice job, I was hoping the wheel scrubbers will be fixed with the followed by the what is it? Colorwave wax and the arrows, the lights. The machine right there. But I noticed they haven't been. I'm not sure what the main problem this is though. But overall, it's an awesome location. It's nice to revisit car washes. So yes. Now, the only reason I'm in this direction today is because very first time out there, I was out 1 month and a half. I got my hair done, styled completely. Anyway, well, and here's your wash menu. We got the 14. It didn't spell any color colorwave and followed by the wheel scrubbers. However, we got the car's going to go in front of the wash. And pardon me for my little stressness. He's just got something, but Monday, previously, May 16, 2022, I was in a car accident, but I had a little bit on the side for injury. Anyway. I'm not sure what car this wash is gonna wash. Not sure what wash they got on, because I mean I know it's on a wash cycle. It's gonna be soon. All right, these are airbags. Just find some coins because been having some nightmares lately because can't get my mind off my coworker and having best friend named Jennifer McCaffrey. Yeah, this is slug bag with flower and rainbow colors. I mean, I like this kind generation. Anyway. Hold on. Hold on. Anyway, just check one more time. However, I'm not sure what wash this car is getting. I think just got the basic or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, because I didn't see any triple foam polish. And then also, while doing that, just keep the scars updated. Besides my eye exam, my dental appointment with my dental hygienist and dental doctor continue with her. Well, very recently, just keep the scars updated. Right now, I'm still recovering after a nightmare, a car accident, and miracle starting out. And great news, I got a new girlfriend. Her name is Juliana. So right now, I'm just doing all right. Well, however, I didn't have any injuries or anything. I need to go into intensive care, ventilator, breathing machines, ready full plug, hospital, ICU unit. Anyway, yeah. So just recovering at it. Feels great. Having a new girlfriend, new love, a brand new love, and brand new enjoyable named Julian. That doesn't do it like what my other one did with me and Kristen, or B did. I mean, I don't want to mention about that. Anyway, that's the serious guys don't need to know it. However, so we must have got the basic wash outs. Anyway, so yeah, and all this it's done. Let's continue from there. So that being said, thanks for watching. I'll make a revisit once they get the wheel covers fixed and the colorwave wax fixed. Alright, till next time. See ya.